Okay, so Ingrid, you there?
I'm here.
Okay, Ingrid, and we got Donnie here. Okay, so Ingrid, you came to Donnie and I with bankruptcies on your credit report that you wanted to get rid of. Is that right?
Correct.
All right. So, why don't you tell us your story about what happened?
Well, there were a couple filings that I've been on for about 6 years, and I've tried numerous attempts to remove, and I also had two collections. So I've been trying to get those off, and I got in touch with Donnie, and he got in touch with me, and he was awesome because he just kind of took over, and I think I did a power of attorney, and you guys handled everything, and then all of a sudden, well, it took it seemed like I met you guys like in July-ish, and then by my birthday I remember July 26th, everything was removed. And then they came back on, like a couple of bankruptcies came back on. And I don't know why they did that, but they did. But Donnie was amazing because he still was consistent, and then he was able to remove all of them again. And so I just couldn't be more pleased or happy with his due diligence and his commitment to me personally, because it's just helped me so much. So it took, less than 90 days, I would say, too. And so that was pretty fast, I would say, for, this nightmare to be resolved. So that's what happened.
Exactly. So how long had you been trying to eliminate these bankruptcies yourself?
Oh, years. I hired 2 other people, and they were not able to accomplish what Donnie could. So, yeah, for a bankruptcy to stay on your record for that long, because I have my own business, it just has really stifled my productivity, with getting loans and credit lines and stuff like that. So it's been a real, what's the word? It's just been tremendous for me to have been introduced to you guys to help me with this.
So you were unable to do it yourself for years, which is not a bad thing against you. I mean, bankruptcies are very difficult.
Yeah.
They're very difficult. And you hired other people who didn't know enough to get the job done.
Right.
And then we get with Donnie and I, and in 90 days, it's clean. You're back in business.
I'm back in business.
Awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, it's awesome.
Donna, you have any thoughts you want to state?
I want to say thanks, Ingrid. I really appreciate that. Bankruptcies are tough. The bureaus are tough. The credit agencies, the major ones, are not our friends. They're there to, in my opinion, just keep us in a terrible financial position. And that's what we do, what me and Chad enjoy doing here in Ingrid speaks like that. They keep us from doing our business in the way we would like to. I don't interfere with Chad's business. Chad doesn't interfere with Ingrid's business. But the agencies, the big 3 major agencies for sure, they want to, unfortunately, keep us from doing business as we would like, which is very hamstrung, very difficult for me. So I'm glad we can put her in a position of everyone that I know walking needs funding. Billionaires, if they want their billionaire project, they need funding. Donnie Mays, if he's trying to do something, he needs funding. Everyone, small business owners, needs funding. And so we're happy, we love it. Tad and I think it's big of that. And we can help people get back in a financial position, and then they'll take care of their financial affairs.
All right. Ingrid, thank you very much for sharing your story with us.
Oh, I just thank you both, really, gentlemen, because it has made a huge impact on my my business, and I just can't thank you enough, really, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Sincerely.
So if somebody wants to get a bankruptcy, if they want to get a bankruptcy removed from their credit report, what website would they go to?
You have the right. .com.
Yes.
Absolutely. I 100% endorse you and your work. So, yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, Ingrid. We're glad we can help and enjoy your new business.
Thank you so much.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye, Ingrid.
Bye-bye.